today we are doing another hair video, of course, and today we are working with the brand Sogoodhair. So yeah, this is the packaging it comes in. It comes in this nice box with their information on the back, hair and wig information and hair care, and their number and things like that. When you order from them, they give you a wig cap, which I love, but I can't use this one because it's brown and it's too dark. They give you clips and elastic band for your wig, and then they give you some lashes in this pretty golden box, and it flips up like that, and they give you some lashes. The wig that we are wearing today, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, is this nice blonde bob wig right here, which I'm so excited about. I love trying different new things, and this hair felt like, as soon as I felt it, I knew it was gonna be one of those nice joints because of how good quality the hair is. So it is an ombre lace frontal wig with black roots, and then then the rest of it blonde. This is the construction of the wig. So it has, you can get a nice middle part or side part, you know. Has the two clips right here, and then one in the back and one right here. So I'm about to put her on and show you guys what she looks like on me. Okay guys, so this is what the wig looks like on me. The front does look a little wet because I did try to bleach the knots, but it really didn't work out because I was running low on bleach. So I tried to get it as good as I could. But yeah, so I just like rinsed it out. I didn't really rinse out the whole wig. I'm just gonna comb all of the hair to the back so I can get that lace applied right. So now that I have the ear tabs cut, now I am going to go in with my Got to Be Free spray and apply the wig. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I really didn't do too much to this hair. I wanted to have it like a messy bob type of look or whatever, so I really didn't want to do like a part. I kept planning it, like doing a side part, this part, blah blah blah, but I really just wanted like a no part type of look. If you guys want to get some of this hair, everything will be down below in the description. Go make sure you guys go check them out. This is a nice blonde wig, very bouncy and feels so good. I'm gonna end this video here because I'm not feeling so well and I just really can't even do anything else right now. But yeah, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, do you guys like this hair on me? Would you like it on yourself? And things like that. If you guys want to get this wig, everything will be down below in the description. Peace.